What's going on, guys? So today I got a wonderful package in the mail, a nice surprise from a viewer named Claudio over in Switzerland. So they had sent me this, which is a very special set of cards, which is not open yet. I'm actually going to break the seal here for you on camera. But first I want to read this nice letter that accompanied this package. So here we go. Now bear with me, of course. Very well written, but it is in cursive. It's been a while since I've read cursive, and especially through the viewfinder, which is a little more difficult than you might think. So this is from December 10th. It just arrived today. It says, "Dear Jeff, I hope this finds you well. Ever since I stumbled across your YouTube channel over half a decade ago, you've inspired me to appreciate gear and gadgets so much more than most. Needless to say, my own collection of knives, Zippos, pens, EDC gear, and all of the other cool stuff increased quite a bit over the years. Collecting, comparing, using, and admiring all these big boys toys has become a passion. Although I wasn't your most regular viewer, I frequently wanted to hear your opinion on things, and many times I discovered something new and cool on your channel. So you were kind of the starting point and a mentor for me in getting into a hobby that brought me joy all this time. For that, I want to thank you. Not too long ago, I dipped my toes into collecting playing cards. I might just keep it at the 7 decks I have, since I really don't need yet another something to collect. You know that I'm the same way. I just continuously find new hobbies, and definitely don't have the time or money for it, but it's still quite enjoyable. Anyway, it says, I know you have a couple of those too, so I figured you might like to find something under the Christmas tree. Please accept this gift as a little something in return. I hope you like them. I leave you and your loved ones with best wishes for the holidays and the new year. Stay safe. Greetings from Switzerland, Claudio." Thank you so much. I mean, this is a really nice surprise. I had no expectations of getting this package in the mail today. It was very, very well packed. And here it is. So I want to turn the camera on and open this together. This is a very fancy box. There's obviously a part of a collection. This one's number 225. I have no idea how many are made, but this is completely sealed. All right. So I mean, the collector in me wants to just save this, but what's the point of just kind of keeping this in the closet with the other cards? I really like to see what they're all about, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to enjoy them. So this says, let's go ahead and zoom in here, try to read it together. I don't want to mispronounce that. D-O-M-M, oh, Dominion. I'm assuming that says Dominion. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong there. But again, number 225. All right, back here. Says black ink branded. All right, there's the designer's name, Josh something, I believe. But yeah, I'm gonna jump right into it. So today's knife of choice is an awesome one. I don't think you guys have seen this yet. This is the I want to say the Sentinel, something along those lines. But man, what a nice knife. So you guys will probably eventually see a review on this. So I'm trying to make a nice, clean, crisp cut across, and I think I did. I think we've succeeded in that. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up for the very first time. Two beautiful decks, number 225 of 1400. So there's a black deck and a red deck. Let's go ahead and lift these out here. Now here's the question: do I open these further? I mean, I really want to enjoy them. So wait, does that say Dominion? D-O-M-I-N-I-O-N. Yes, I believe it does. Just some fancy font there. Exquisite playing cards. Now, I am familiar with Dominion. I don't think I've seen this set before. I'm going to go ahead and open them just so we can enjoy them. I mean, it's kind of hard. It's like taking that $1,400, folding knife that's a beautiful piece of artwork and just cutting stuff with it. I mean, yeah, it's a knife, but it's also art. I don't know. It's just personal preference, I suppose. Some of you guys might be cringing that I'm opening these, but I'd really like to enjoy these decks. So I'm going to go ahead and dig in. some things just are meant to be enjoyed, right? So again, also sealed. Go ahead and try to get a nice even slice on that. I do love this texturing. You guys can tell in this box. Super cool. Beautiful. And of course, you know, Christina loves cards too, so this is a set we're going to share. I love the little foil on the inside. Super cool. Man, beautiful faces. This is really nice artwork. This is stuff, like I said, I mean, I was, you know, hoping to enjoy if I just kept this locked up. I mean, I suppose I could have looked it up and figured out what it was on the inside, but I'm going to use these. I'm going to really enjoy the set. It's super cool. So I have to assume that the black set is just that. It's going to be a similar artwork, but with the maybe reversed, where it's mostly black with the red background. So I don't know, maybe I'll leave that one sealed for now, but super cool. So instead of you know, black and red, we have red and blue here, but really nice. It says Bathsheba, Uriah. So yeah, pretty cool. King David, King Arthur, Queen Guinevere, maybe. Sir Lancelot. Just super cool. So, I mean, I greatly appreciate that. I think that later tonight, I'm going to go ahead and have a nice game of cards with my wife and just enjoy this deck. So, thank you so much for thinking of us, you know, during the holiday season. I greatly appreciate it. And for everyone looking, you know, and gawking at the knife, there will be a video on that in the future. I've been using that a little bit more lately. Just super cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And again, Claudio, thank you so much. This is a very generous gift, and I really do appreciate it. I hope everyone watching this has a beautiful, wonderful holiday season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.